न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशंस के बारे में और लोग किस तरीके से अच्छी न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशंस रख सकते हैं और किस तरीके से फॉलो कर सकते हैं। क्या आप इस परसेंटेज के 8% लोगों में से हैं जो फॉलो करते हैं कि हाँ मुझे वज़न कम करना है, मैं वज़न कम करूँगी, किया है नहीं किया है, लेट अस नो। बट हम मेहर से पूछेंगे व्हाट वी कैन कीप इन माइंड व्हेन वी मेकिंग दीज न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशंस।
आई थिंक सबसे ज़्यादा तो ये कि जब न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन इंसान करे, एक तो सबसे पहली बात, अभी हम ब्रेक से पहले आई वाज टॉकिंग टू somebody from part of your team and I was saying कि हम न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन सिर्फ दिसंबर में क्यों बनाते हैं। हम रेजोल्यूशन साल के किसी भी महीने में बना सकते हैं, राइट। सो इट्स जस्ट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट कि हम सिर्फ दिसंबर में या नवंबर में हम अगले साल के बारे में सोच रहे हैं।
आखिर में काम करने का शौक है ना। आखिर में
इट्स लाइक जल्दी से जल्दी साल खत्म होने से पहले सब कुछ कर लो
बस।
So yeah, when we can actually make resolutions at any point in the year, right? So that's a possibility. That's number one. दूसरी बात ये, अपने जो न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशंस हैं उनको स्पेसिफिकली डिफाइन करें, आपको क्या करना है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लोग कहते हैं मुझे वजन कम करना है, राइट, दैट लाइक यू वर सेइंग अभी थोड़ी देर पहले कि दैट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर वंस। कितना वजन कम करना है, व्हाट्स दैट नंबर दैट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर। ऑल्सो व्हाट नॉट दैट नंबर दैट यू आर रिड्यूसिंग, आई विल गिव यू अ quick hack. It's the number that you would want to see on the scale. So instead of thinking of how much you want to reduce, imagine that number that you would like to see on the scale.
Oh, interesting.
Right? So that's the way, so that your body can...
You're literally manifesting it then.
Yes, you're manifesting it, absolutely.
Yes, how lovely.
Yeah, and also make sure that goals are specific, smart goals, right? They're smart, they're measurable. आप किसी को as an accountability... स्पेसिफिक करें, आइडेंटिफाई करें अपनी स्पेसिफिसिटी, राइट। और किसी को अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर कर लें, गोल्स को देखें कि वो मेजरेबल हैं कि नहीं है, राइट। और वो किस किस्म का गोल है, कैन इट बी, इज इट अ रियलिस्टिक गोल। फॉर एग्जांपल, लोग कहते हैं यार हमें 2 महीने में 60 kgs खत्म करना है या 30 kgs खत्म करना है। आई मीन दैट्स अनरियलिस्टिक, राइट। सो हैव अ रियलिस्टिक गोल, ब्रेक इट डाउन इनटू पीसेस, इनटू शॉर्टर अचीवेबल goals, you know, which are more accessible.
Acha, and what else can we do? Bas, you think this would really?
I think this is something. This is a starting point. You know, I mean, मैंने आपको 3-4 चीजें बता दी है। ये कि आप अपने goals को realistic रखें, इनको measurable करें, accountability partners रखें, right?
Okay, got it. Acha, what are the mistakes that people usually make जब वो उस तरह की New Year resolutions बना रहे होते हैं? वो how do they lose their way?
One of the things that comes up a lot, I think, is that those goals are very short-term goals. कोई long-term vision है ही नहीं goal में. So what is that goal? You know, as a long-term vision आपका क्या है? Plus दूसरी बात ये, वो कितनी देर का goal है, right? Is it specific to what you are looking for? तो vague goal होता है, तो that's the biggest mistake that people make, right? कि I would like to do this. भाई उसका आगे भी तो बताइए ना कि उसका specificity क्या है? Accountability partner रखें. So those are some of the ways that one can kind of.
And these are so basically, I think these two questions were kind of connected anyway.
Yes.
Acha, how is it that we can change bad habits? There are a lot of people who smoke. There are a lot of people who do a bunch of things which they know is not conducive to their mental well-being or their physical well-being. How would you recommend हमारी audience को आप क्या ऐसी advice दे सकती हैं कि वो बुरी आदतें छोड़ दें?
You know, बुरी आदतें are servicing a need, right? There is, it's not just a बुरी आदत, उसके नीचे कुछ और भी है, right? It's a secondary benefit that the individual is gaining, right? It's getting out of it.
Just not smoke करके लोग समझते हैं कि stress relief होता है.
Right. So stress can be relieved in multiple different ways. I think सबसे पहले तो define करें कि आपके लिए वो bad habit है क्या. बहुत से लोग कहते हैं कि सुनते आ रहे हैं कि यार this is bad for you. भाई, how is it bad for you? What is it doing to you, right? And how will it make your life better if you were to come out of it, or if you were to leave that habit? I think that is a fantastic way to look at it.
Okay.
Before actually one decides to leave that.
काफ़ी ज़्यादा adults every year, अगर आप Google पे भी search करें तो one of the first things that you see is how to lose weight.
Right.
My first resolution, everyone's, and actually Google actually even tells us as well, how to be productive, how to get in shape, how to lose weight. How is it कि हम इन goals को realistic रखें और drastic ना करें? 10 औरतें अभी 100 औरतें अगर बैठ के देख रही हैं लेट्स से अभी ये शो, और वो चाहती हैं कि वो वज़न कम करें, तो आप उनको you know like you said accountability partner रखें, realistic goal रखें. How would you word it for them?
I think one way is to link not just losing weight but also to a healthy lifestyle. I think बहुत सारे goals and resolutions are just, oh, I'd like to lose weight, like you just said, right? So if we're talking about losing weight, look at it as a healthy lifestyle rather than just कि मुझे number कुछ scale से गिराने हैं, right? That changes the outlook of your lifestyle. That would include better sleep, like you said. अगर आप बेहतर सोएंगे तो आपका वज़न automatically बेहतर एक lifestyle, disciplined lifestyle में integrate होगा, right? You eat better, you sleep better, you have sort of a different lifestyle that adheres to a positive, healthy living. It definitely will show on the scale as well. Absolutely. However, if I were to break it down, let's say, put it down into chunkable bites, you know, realistic bites. For example, मैं January में इतना lose करना चाहती हूँ, मैं या करना चाहता हूँ, या मैं February में इस तरीके से, you know, this is how much I would like to weigh, and so on and so forth. So that you're able to achieve it. जैसे ही आपको एक sense of achievement आएगी, तो आपको एक motivation होएगी कि मैंने ये इस महीने achieve किया. And it kind of propels you from you know there to move forward. Right? So I think
but
that's...
you know, so I want to keep it very real here, and I want to tell you, let's say कि मैंने एक goal set किया कि I want to lose like 10 pounds in Jan.
Right.
And I think it's a pretty achievable goal, maybe. Right. I'm hoping 5 will just be water weight. But you know, let's say मैं नहीं करती और लोग बहुत demotivate हो जाते हैं, फिर वो अगला पूरा साल तो आपका डूब गया.
आपकी बात मैं इसलिए भी it's a fantastic question. वो जो 10 pounds आपने बोले ना, सबसे पहली बात तो अपनी age देखें. Is that age relevant? Right? Is that how much does one weigh at that point in time? Do you think that that's realistic considering your lifestyle? People forget all of these you know things and then they say कि हमें इतना you know, this is the amount of weight that we want to lose. So look at it in an ecological way, in a more realistic way. So that
but अब demotivation का क्या करें? मैं like let's say I'm the sort of a person, I have no shame in admitting it on live television if I have to, कि जब मैं अपना goal नहीं meet कर पाती, I'm very hard on myself.
And a lot of people are 99%.
And I'm like, oh my God, I can't do it. I won't be able to do it.
Right.
How do you deal with people like that?
Have the accountability partner that I was talking about. Have
okay, you're my accountability partner now.
Have them on board. Have them on board. Also, we can always motivate ourselves by noticing the language we use for ourselves. You know, that's where I come in. That's what a coach does. They allow you to, or enable you, not allow, I'll reframe that word for myself, enable you to sense. Kind of, you know, understand the power of language. And that way we can motivate ourselves as well.
अभी हमें actually एक request भी आई है from one of the viewers in the audience as well कि मैं बना तो लेता हूँ but मैं इसको follow नहीं कर पाता, एक दिन हो जाएगा, 2 दिन हो जाएगा, फिर 3 दिन बाद I'm back to square one.
Right.
You know, जल्दी जिस तरह, you know, I'm like that too. Like मैं फजर की नमाज के लिए उठूँगी, 3 दिन, 4थे दिन मुझे लगेगा wow, I've done such a great job and I won't wake up. But again, keeping it very real here.
Right.
How do you help individuals find that self-discipline?
Oh, I'm loving all these questions.
I love it. I love how we connect that well as
yes,
well as I can.
I love that. You know, it's easy to say consistency is the key, but how does consistency come in, right? Consistency को अगर हम break down करें तो I would say chewable steps and chewable bites. How does one eat an elephant? One bite at a time. Right? That's how consistency is also built, right? Over smaller steps. So what happens is that discipline breaks apart when one actually becomes so
overwhelmed.
Yes, overwhelmed with the idea of doing it every day for the next 365 days, right?
Yes.
So let's make it into a shorter goal, like put a shorter span on it, so that we can celebrate the shorter span. For example, अभी if you don't mind me using your own example,
please do.
जैसे अभी तुमने example दिया नमाज का, right? So अगर तुम अपने इस goal को एक हफ्ते के लिए करो, so and if you've achieved that in that 1 week, celebrate it, right? Give yourself that pat on the back and say, I'm so proud of myself that I achieved it 7 days. Let me now do it for another 7 days. Let me now do it for another 7 days.
Very nice.
And let me now do it for another 7 days. And slowly and gradually, it becomes a consistent part of your disciplined lifestyle, right? And so, बहुत सारी research है इस पे भी as well, right? कि how are habits built? And it's either 21 days or, you know, but now at the moment, it's actually a little bit more. The research says it's now about 100 days.
Oh,
right?
really?
Yeah. So between 100 to plus days, right? Depending on what kind of habit are you building, right? Because people also forget, they want to ensure that, oh buddy, you know, this is the habit that I want to instill in my lifestyle, but how hard is it, right? How would you like to fit it in your daily schedule of rounds, right? So depending on what the nature of that habit is.
And then you do it. Lovely. I think that's very well explained as well. And 100 days is a little bit of a bummer because I was thinking 21 days bhi to hamari ban jati hai ek nayi habit, but clearly.
But if you break it down, Rija, to exactly to how I've just you know sort of
7 days, then
7 days or 7 days, or even agar aap 10 days kar lo, so it's like that.
Amazing. I love that. That's actually a very, very useful tip, guys, and you can actually follow this along. Acha, celebrate you know victories wali baat bhi humne kar li, you know, we should do that along the way as well. Acha, time management bahut zaruri hoti hai, right? So aapki what are one of your favorite techniques jisme hum apni productivity maximize kar sakte hain?
You know, I think सबसे ज़्यादा जिसमें productivity maximize हो, A is prioritize, which a lot of people kind of, you know, lack. And this is a lot of people will come in and they're like, you know, I'm running out of time. I want to do so many things.
Oh my God, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I've been there. Oh my God, I've been there. But that's also because I want to do so many things at one time.
We want to do so many things. Yeah, but if we want to do so many things, I always make my clients, make them write it down, right? When they're writing it down, they're like, huh, do I really want to do this? Do I really want to go there? Do I really want to, you know, have this or put this on my list? And then they kind of already वो लिखते लिखते जो वो 100 चीज़ें वो 50 हो जाती हैं. फिर उन 50 को मैं बोलती हूँ अब आप इनको prioritize करें. Give them a priority on a scale of 1 to 10. इसमें से 10 सबसे important करें. फिर उसके नीचे आप 5 अपनी you know number 2 की list पे लेकर आइए. And as you actually enable a client or any other individual to recognize कि आपकी priority list पे क्या है, you're able to sort of segment your day that way. Also, I think another technique to kind of latch on to is club all of the things, some of the things which have higher priority together.
Okay.
And also see कि क्या चीज़ मैं club कर सकती हूँ या कर सकता हूँ.
Okay.
You know, for example, you can club 2 things together, like maybe praying and maybe reading something post your namaz.
Of course,
right?
Of course, makes sense.
So it kind of, and if that's on your priority.
Actually, that actually, Meher, makes a lot of sense because there's so many times I'm not able to finish my. Now that you're talking about it, तो मैं drive करते हुए कर लेती.
Right. So you're clubbing it together.
So you're clubbing 2 things together, guys. That is amazing. Meher is really jogging my brain as well, and all my life coaching skills are being polished as well. So thank you for that. अच्छा, अब हमारे Oh my God, yes, I think we all need to hear this. जो लोग procrastinate करते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, आज कर लूँगी, कल कर लूँगी, देख लूँगी. What is procrastination? How is it that we deal with it? A lot of people suffer through it.
A lot of people suffer through it, and I think one of the questions that I ask all my clients is, what's stopping them?
Yes.
Right? When you are, when I ask them, what is stopping them? They'll be like a 5-10 minute pause. And they'll be like, I don't know. You know,
exactly.
I don't know what's stopping, because there's nothing that's stopping an individual to actually do that task. It's just,
I think it's the fear of failure, maybe.
I love that. I love the fact that you said, but fear of failure, किसके पास नहीं है? Right? Every single person has that fear, but it's that engagement of fear. Abhi main show pe aane se pehle I was talking to one of your team members and I was telling them, and I was asking them, I said, what is courage? What fear ka jo agar aap opposite dekhen to that's courage, right? But what is courage? It's that engagement with fear. It's not the absence of it. So it's not like कि courageous बंदे के पास को कभी डर ही नहीं लगेगा. It's that engagement with that डर. Right? It's like living through that dar to get to the other side. That is that.
Absolutely.
Right? So that's that mindset that allows one to actually take that step. And what's the worst that could happen?
What's the worst? Absolutely.
What's the worst?
In fact, guys, you know, just recently my son did a very amazing play of Lion King.
Oh, nice.
And it's such a timeless classic. It's one of my favorite shows. And उसमें courage of fear की बात थी कि when Simba's father passed away, he had to kind of take the throne. और वो डर भी रहा था.
Right.
And then this is a story about courage.
Right.
कि regardless डरने के बावजूद उसने किस तरीके से पूरा empire संभाला.
He overcame it, right?
He overcame that.
Yeah, but he overcame not because he didn't have no fear.
Yeah.
But he actually engaged with it.
With the fear and
with the fear.
This is beautiful, Meher. I'm loving this segment, guys.